Welcome to this lesson. In this video, we will understand why Amazon FBA is such a powerful platform for anyone who wants to start an online business, especially if you are a beginner. I will explain everything in a very simple and practical way so that you can clearly understand this opportunity. First of all, Amazon is a marketplace platform. This means you do not need to create your own website. You do not need to bring traffic from scratch, and you do not need to worry about technical setup. Millions of customers visit Amazon every single day. Your job as a seller is to list your products and make them available to those customers. This is a massive advantage, especially for beginners who are just getting started. Another major reason why Amazon is so powerful is its fulfillment by Amazon system, also known as FBA. With FBA, you do not have to handle storage, packing, or delivery yourself. You simply send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, shipping, and even customer service. This removes a huge operational burden and allows you to focus on growing your business. Another big advantage is global reach. Amazon is not limited to a single country or region. It is a global platform. If you build your business correctly, you can reach customers across multiple countries. This kind of scale is not easily available on smaller platforms. Trust is another key factor. Customers trust Amazon as a reliable platform. When you sell on Amazon, you benefit from that built-in trust. Even if you are a new seller, customers are more likely to buy because they feel secure purchasing through Amazon. When it comes to starting, the initial investment on Amazon can be controlled if you plan properly. You do not need to start with a large inventory. You can begin with a small batch, test your product, and then scale gradually as you gain confidence and sales. Amazon also provides powerful tools to help you grow. These include advertising options, performance analytics, customer insights, and promotional opportunities. These tools are designed to help you improve your listings, increase visibility, and grow your sales step by step. However, it is very important to understand one thing clearly. Amazon FBA is not a shortcut to instant success. It is a real business. And like any business, it requires the right approach, consistent effort, and patience. You need to choose the right product, create a strong listing, manage your inventory properly, and maintain good account performance. If you do all these things correctly and stay consistent, Amazon FBA can become a highly profitable and scalable source of income for you. To put it simply, Amazon provides you with customers, a powerful fulfillment system, global reach, built-in trust, and advanced business tools. Your responsibility is to manage your business wisely and grow it step by step. In the next lesson, we will go deeper and understand how Amazon's programs and features work so that you can take full advantage of this platform. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.